Chopin writes a tie, a tie, a tie, and a tie. He writes it so that at this point in the music, there are 4 notes held down. He notates it quite specifically. Again, if I dig in, I'm trying to make it expressive, but the expressivity is on each note. If I hold and stand, hold and stand, hold and stand, hold and stand, did you see how I moved through? The standing action allows me to orchestrate, to phrase, to express a rhythmic contour which brings pathos and a speaking quality to this melody. Later on, the standing action creates orchestration because, as in Tai Chi, one leg is the yang leg, the other leg is the yin leg. The yin legs just drop in from a dangling platform. The platform is standing on the other finger, the yang finger. So I've got total control over my voicing with no stress, no sense of fighting with the piano, no sense of fighting with myself. So the standing action has a profound positive effect on orchestration, as well as on basic sound, as well as on basic phrasing, as well as on basic rhythmic pulse.